Hello everyone, welcome to Mammoth Interactive's course on making a ninja game in Unity 3D. My name is Glaukopidis. I've been making games since 2010, and throughout the years I've learned how to work with different technologies like Unity, Unreal, HTML5. I've also learned other tools like Construct, and I'm going to share this experience with you by making this course in the simplest and nicest way possible. So we are going to learn how to make a few different ninja mechanics in this game, and then wrap up the game and get it ready to be played. The first step on making this game is to set up a new project in Unity. So if you don't have Unity yet, you can download that on unity3d.com, or if you have, you can just open Unity and press the new button on the top right to make a new project. Every game is going to be in a different project, so we need to set that up. The project name is simply going to be Ninja. We're going to keep things simple, and the location of the project is going to be my home folder / projects. I use this folder for storing all of my Unity and any other technologies that I use. And why is that? Some beginners use the documents or the downloads folder, but that's not very recommended. Okay, you're going to mix your files, your project, with things that are unrelated to work, and that might not be a good idea in the long haul. Things might get a bit messy through time. So we just make a projects folder, and with that in mind, we should be good to go. Okay, so Ninja, projects folder, we're going to use 3D mode. Even though this game is going to have a little of a two-dimensional feel, we're going to want it to be 3D under the hood, so we need to make sure this is active. And after we're done with this, we just press create project and wait for Unity to do its job. It's simply going to start the project, okay, generate all the necessary files, and then get us ready to start. So once we open this window, before we actually implement anything, we want to go to the assets folder. Okay, this is going to store all the necessary files for your project. And to make sure that things are going to be organized, we can already make some of the folders that are going to be necessary. And the first one, which is the most basic, is you go to right click, select create, then folder, and this is going to be project. Why do we do this? Okay, if we are in the assets folder, we are working with our project, but so why do we need to make another project folder? We do this because if you import any other asset package from the Unity Asset Store or one of the built-in packages that you already have in Unity, like 2D, cameras, characters, effects, environment, there are tons of different options here. So when you import these packages, they're going to be folders here in the assets folder, in the root of the project, that are not directly related to your project. They come from other places, other projects. So it's interesting to make that a little difference among everything you do. Okay, and in the project folder, we're going to make just a few folders. Okay, let's create a folder that is going to be scripts. We're going to put all our code here. We're also going to have scenes. Actually, let me delete this. We're going to have a scenes folder. So we right click, choose create, then folder, scenes. Then again, we create another folder, and we're going to type materials, because while we don't have the final art, we're going to make some materials here, and this should be enough for us to get started. Okay, so to make sure that we're going to have a scene to work on, we're going to hit File, then Save Scene. We're going to name this scene as Game. Okay, it's going to be here in the Assets folder, and we're going to drag the scene to the Scenes folder. Okay, so we just started just a few minutes, and we already have a simple yet effective and nice hierarchy here. So let's move on to the next lesson.